Today's video is going to be on removing your front door panel off your Mitsubishi Endeavor. You may want to remove your door panel to get behind it to replace the regulator and the motor for your power window, or change a speaker. Today we are installing speakers because this Endeavor didn't have no speakers. It didn't even have a head unit. Somebody had an aftermarket stereo system in it. Was not the best job. Bypassed the factory amp, fixed all the factory amp stuff back. They had the wires cut, fixed all them back, heat shrinked them, sorted them back together, made a nice repair, and we are installing speakers. So stay tuned. Once you get that removed, you can come over here and this will pop straight up, and you would want to unplug it. I done got this and unplugged because the window switch is destroyed, needs replaced. So does the driver. The back doors is they fine, but need to fix those sooner or later. Now, once you get that popped out of the way, you need to come here and remove the two 4-ways that's underneath this door handle. Okay, once you get all those bolts removed, you can come over here to the side of it, get a 1-way or something, and pop this out. So what you want to do is come here to the side, get you a 1-way or something. They make a tool for this, but now everybody's got the tool. Find where your clip is and just pop it loose. Just like so. Sometimes they come off easy, sometimes they come off without a battle. This has been off before, like I said. Then you pick straight up on it and pull out. And basically, that is how you remove your door panel. You can see that's the clips that holds it on all the way around. And guess what? I have no speaker. Nope, sure don't. So I hope you enjoyed this video on how to remove your door panel. To install it, just do what you did taking it off, backwards. Simple and easy. Now if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check back. I try to upload videos every single day. Sometimes I don't get to, but I try my best. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.